Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about where SoFi is headquartered. I know, this might seem like a boring topic, but I think it's actually really interesting. SoFi is a huge company with a lot of history, and I think it's worth learning more about them. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about what SoFi is. What is SoFi? SoFi is a financial technology company that offers a variety of financial products and services, including student loans, personal loans, mortgages, credit cards, and investing. The company was founded in 2011 by two Stanford graduates, Mike Cagney and Danielle Shinar. SoFi is now one of the largest financial technology companies in the United States, with over 5 million members. Where is SoFi headquartered? SoFi is headquartered in San Francisco, California. The company has offices in several other cities around the world, including New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Washington, D.C. Why is SoFi headquartered in San Francisco? There are a few reasons why SoFi chose to headquarter in San Francisco. San Francisco is a major tech hub, and SoFi is a tech company. San Francisco is a diverse city, and SoFi is committed to diversity and inclusion. San Francisco is a great place to live and work. SoFi's history. SoFi was founded in 2011 by two Stanford graduates, Mike Cagney and Danielle Shinar. The company started out as a student loan lender, but it has since expanded its offerings to include personal loans, mortgages, credit cards, and investing. SoFi has grown rapidly in recent years. The company now has over 5 million members and is one of the largest financial technology companies in the United States. SoFi's future. SoFi is a young company, but it has already achieved a lot. The company is well positioned to continue to grow and innovate in the years to come. SoFi is committed to making a positive impact on the world. The company is working to help people achieve their financial goals and improve their financial well-being. So there you have it, SoFi is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Here are some additional things you might want to know about SoFi. SoFi is a publicly traded company. Its stock is traded on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange under the symbol SFI. SoFi has been recognized for its innovative culture and workplace. The company has been named to Glassdoor's Best Places to Work list for several years in a row. SoFi is committed to giving back to the community. The company has donated millions of dollars to charity and has partnered with several organizations to help people in need. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.